Hello guys, my name is Ali. Today we're in Python on with Turtle. Today we draw a circle in Python. So let's get started from Turtle, import, then multiply, and then we're doing pen down. Okay, pen down, and press enter. And for and in range, so we're doing 24. Yeah, and then press enter. And we're doing forward with 100, forward with 10, and press enter. And then right with 15. So we're doing now pen up. Okay, pen up. As you see guys, here we're doing here pen down, and it's here pen up. Okay, so let's run a program. There we go. So like to my video, subscribe to my channel Python with Ali. So bye bye.